Good morning. Happy Saturday. I am, I feel a little bit tired.
Hey guys, sorry about the sound. I bought a new microphone and it was the first time using it, and obviously my hair is causing quite a lot of feedback. So I decided let me just rather do a voiceover instead. Here I'm basically just saying that it's a Saturday morning, I'm about to take a bath, and I'm planning to go on an exciting trail hike with my daughter. I haven't been hiking for a while, but every time I do it, I really, really love it. I really enjoy it. So I thought, hey, what a nice way to spend a Saturday just doing something for me, something that I love, and getting my exercise in because it's been a while since a girl's done any exercise. So yeah, that's basically what I'm saying. I'm gonna figure out how to use the microphone. In the meantime, it's quite scruffled, so I've just decided to do this instead. But yeah, let's listen to the audio now. At this point in the trail, Naledi and I still had a lot of energy. We were still quite energetic, as you can see with us mucking around and all our expressions. But things were about to turn very soon. Let's get back to the vlog.
Okay, we finally at the hiking trail. We've just gone up a really steep mountain and there are so many. Can you show these ants? Like,
the ants were really aggressive, and so we didn't want to stop for too long because they kept riding and climbing up us. So our stopover was quite short lived, but a great way for us just to get back our energy.
now how's the hiking trail going?
It's good. That's good. Thank you, Anton.
Okay, let's move.
So guys, went hiking, and this journey is super duper hard, guys. Like, it's so exhausting. My water is almost done. Oh my gosh, guys, I did not know how I'm surviving. There's a lot of ants climbing all over my whole entire body, also my face, everywhere, but they're gone now, as you can see, guys. And it's so tiring. Like, the mountain is so high. We still have to climb like almost everywhere. We started nicely, then we came so high. Oh my gosh, guys, I do not know how I'm doing this, but see you in a bit. Bye.
Hi guys. We're still climbing. We're still climbing. I'm so out of breath. Whew. Jeez. Okay, we're going down the mountain now.
And I fell twice. Okay, I almost fell first time and I fell again.
Yeah, so you need to make sure that you step on gravel, not rocks. Well, you can step on a rock if it's on the ground, obviously. The nice thing now is that we're going down. Okay? So hectic, eh? Hey, running in the forest. Yeah, how cool is this? Yes, remember I told you I was running? Yeah, this is where I normally start running. And you just run down. Basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did. So gorgeous. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. Yeah, this is the one. This is my lake. This is the pictures. This is my favorite part about the hike. When we get to the river, it's a very short little stream, but so relaxing. I also know that we're almost done when we're here, so it's nice to just listen to the water and enjoy God's creation, hey?
Guys, this is so beautiful. I love the way is this a river or lake? I think it's a river or stream, I don't know. I like the way the river #stream sounds. It's so beautiful, nice and fresh. I love the wind. So beautiful. So beautiful, guys. The sound is just so, it's giving. Yeah, it's giving, guys. Guys, I'm a bit tired of walking, but our hiking journey is almost done. It's actually super deep of me. I love the check. Oh my gosh, so nice. And guys, you guys should come and check out this hiking resort. So nice and peaceful. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, the hiking resort place.